Hello everyone. In today's video, we are solving the common issue of Workday's password reset not working. So first, make sure you are using the correct email address linked to your Workday account. Sometimes password reset emails go to your spam folder, so double check there as well. Ensure you are using the correct Workday portal URL. Now if your company has a custom Workday URL, use that instead of the generic one, as this could be causing the issue. Now go back to the Workday login page. Forget password and follow the instructions. If you still don't receive the reset email, try a different browser or clear your cache and cookies. Now if the issue still persists, contact your Workday administrator or IT support. They may need to reset your password manually or check for any account restrictions. And that is how to fix the password reset issue on Workday. Now if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.